Welcome to Tecnia TV. Hello everyone, I'm Akansha Arora, Faculty of Journalism and Mass Communication Department from Tecnia Institute of Advanced Studies. Today I'm sharing my thoughts on corporate social responsibility, that is CSR. Today consumers hold companies to a higher standard. They are looking for more than just material product or quality services when choosing a company to work with. 9 in 10 consumers expect companies to not only make the profit but also operate responsibly to address social and environmental issues. According to a study by Cone Communication, 84% of global consumers also said they seek out responsible product whenever possible. Recognizing how important social responsibility is to their customer, many companies now focus on practices a few broad categories of corporate social responsibility, that is CSR. First, we discuss about environmental efforts. One primary focus of corporate social responsibility is the environment business, regardless of size, have a large carbon footprints. Any step they can take to reduce those footprints are considered both good for company and society as a whole. European companies have really led the way on environment effort such as green energy usage, eco-friendly office and travel policies, and ensuring that business take a responsibility for controlling if their net impact is positive or negative, said by Richard Stimson, head of corporate communication at e-commerce platform. Philanthropy business also practices social responsibility by donating to national and local charities. Business have a lot of resource that can benefit charities and local communities program. Third, ethical labor practices. By treating employees fairly and ethically, companies can also demonstrate their corporate social responsibility. This is especially true business that operate in international location with labor laws that differ from those in the United States. Now we discuss fourth point, volunteering. Attending volunteers events says a lot about a company's sincerity. By doing good deeds without expecting anything in return, companies are able to express their concern for specific issue and support for certain organization. Ethical labor and volunteering are no barriers. Consumers and partners want to hear that a business is building something more than just revenue. Even modest steps such as open door days can be great way to build links to your community and reflect that you aim to make valuable long-term impact. Stimson added, this new wave of buyers is demanding transparency, and when given the choice will almost have always choose a brand or product tied to a socially conscious cause rather than a corporate big name brand, Sims said. Sims also said that this place CSR at that forefront of modern days business practices. While CSR matters, all stakeholders in a business seek to understand and value the mission of a company and why they should invest and support in it. And that, according to Stephenson, is why CRS matters. Sustainability is not just important for people and the planet but also is vital for business success, said Mav, whose companies connect students and professionals who want to use their business skill to do social good. Communities are grappling with problems that are global in scope and structurally multifaceted. Iloba presents poverty, climate change. The business case for engaging in corporate social responsibility is clear and unmistakable. The next generation of employees is seeking out employers that are focused on triple bottom line: people, planet, and revenue. Connolly told Business News Daily. Coming out of the recession, corporate revenue has been getting stronger. Companies are encouraged to put that increased profit into programs that give back. Examples of corporate social responsibility. While many companies now practices some form of social responsibility, some are making in core of their operation. Ben and Jenny, for instance, uses only fair trade ingredients and had developed a sustainability program for dairy farms in its home state of Revent. Starbucks has created its cafe practices guidelines which are designed to ensure the company sources sustainably ground and processed coffee by evaluating the economic, social, and environment aspects of coffee production. However, Steve said that company needs to understand what their core social purpose is, how that aligns with their stated mission to create comprehensive CSR strategy. That's all from my side, and I hope this lecture will help you understand this topic in well manner. And watching more videos like this, subscribe Tecnia TV. Thank you.